What makes airplanes fly? How does the airplane go up? Have you seen an airplane's wings? They are big and wide. These wings help the airplane go up. When an airplane moves fast, air flows over and under the wings. The air on top moves faster, and the air below moves slower. This difference in air movement creates a push from below, which lifts the airplane up. How does the airplane go up? Example, take a piece of paper and hold it near your mouth. Blow air across the top of the paper. What happens? The paper lifts up. That's just like an airplane's wings. How does the airplane go up? Fun fact, birds also use lift to fly. They spread their wings and let the air push them up, just like an airplane. How does the airplane move forward? Airplanes don't just float in the sky. They need to move forward very fast to take off and stay in the air. This forward push is called thrust. Airplanes have engines that make them go forward. Some airplanes have jet engines, while others have propellers. These engines give the airplane the speed it needs to stay up in the sky. How does the airplane move forward? Example, think about riding a bicycle. If you pedal fast, the bike moves forward quickly. The airplane's engine does the same thing, it pushes the plane forward. How does the airplane move forward? Fun fact, some birds, like hummingbirds, flap their wings super fast to create their own thrust and fly in the air. Why can't the airplane move forever? As the airplane moves forward, air pushes back against it. This is called drag. Drag tries to slow down the airplane. That's why airplane designers make airplanes smooth and pointy, so they can cut through the air easily. Why can't the airplane move forever? Example, have you ever put your hand out of a moving car window? Feel the air pushing against your hand. That's like drag. If you hold your hand flat, it moves smoothly. If you hold it up, the air pushes back harder. Why can't the airplane move forever? Fun fact, swimmers wear tight suits to move faster in water. Airplanes are also designed to reduce drag and move faster in the air. Why doesn't the airplane stay in the sky forever? Even though an airplane is flying high, gravity is always pulling it back toward the Earth. Gravity is a force that pulls everything down. For an airplane to stay in the sky, it needs lift to push up and thrust to keep moving forward. Why doesn't the airplane stay in the sky forever? Example, throw a ball up in the air. What happens? It comes back down. That's because of gravity. If the airplane stops moving, gravity will pull it down too. Why doesn't the airplane stay in the sky forever? Fun fact, astronauts in space don't feel gravity because they're so far from Earth. But on Earth, gravity keeps everything on the ground, including us. How do pilots control an airplane? Pilots use different parts of the airplane to control where it goes. Ailerons help the airplane turn left or right. Elevators make the airplane go up or down. Rudder helps steer the airplane. Pilots also talk air traffic controllers, who help them know where to go. It's like a big teamwork effort to make sure airplanes fly safely. How do pilots control an airplane? Example, driving a car needs a steering wheel to turn left and right. Pilots have different controls to steer the airplane in the sky. Putting it all together, now we know the 4 forces that help airplanes fly. Lift helps the airplane go up. Thrust pushes the airplane forward. Drag slows the airplane down. Gravity pulls the airplane down. When all these forces work together, the airplane can take off, fly high, and land safely. Fun activities to try. Activity 1. Paper Airplane Challenge. Make paper airplane and throw it gently. Then, throw it with more forces. What happens? You are using thrust and lift, just like a real airplane. Fun activities to try. Activity 2. Air and left. Experiment. Hold a strip of paper near your mouth and blow across the top. Watch how it lifts up. This is how an airplane's wings create lift. Fun activities to try. Activity 3. Watch birds fly. Go outside and watch birds flying. Look at how they spread their wings to create lift and flap to make thrust. Conclusion. Now you know how airplanes fly. Airplanes fly because of lift, thrust, drag and gravity. Pilots control them with special parts, and air traffic controllers help guide them.